In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature inside Google Drive using a Google document. This simple trick can save you a lot of time when you need to sign forms, approve agreements, or add a personal touch before sending files. You won't need any extra tools or apps, and the whole process only takes a moment. Let's jump right in. Start by heading over to Google Drive. Once you're on your Drive homepage, find the Google Docs file where you want to place your signature. If you already have the document ready, go ahead and open it so we can start building your signature directly inside the file. With the document open, look toward the top menu bar and click on Insert. This area holds all the tools for adding different elements to your document, and it's the key to creating your signature. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over drawing. Don't click yet, just hold your cursor there for a moment until the small menu appears. When the side menu pops up, select New. This opens a blank drawing canvas where you can draw freely. This canvas gives you the ability to create a signature that feels natural and handwritten rather than typed or copied from somewhere else. At the top of the drawing window, find the small line icon and click the arrow beside it. From the list that opens, choose Scribble. Scribble lets you draw smooth, freehand lines, which is exactly what you need for a realistic signature. Use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to draw your signature on the canvas. Take your time here. If the first attempt doesn't look right, you can undo, erase, or redraw as many times as you need. Don't rush. Making it look clean now will save you time later whenever you reuse it for other documents. Once you're happy with it, click, save, and close at the top right. Your signature will appear instantly inside your document. You can click and drag it to move it wherever it needs to go, and you can resize it by adjusting the corners. This makes it easy to fit your signature neatly on a line or at the bottom of a form. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added your own custom signature to a Google document. This method makes signing digital documents simple and professional, and you can repeat the same steps whenever you need a new version or want to update your signature style. I hope this walkthrough helped you feel more confident using Google Drive and Google Docs. If you'd like more tutorials that make your digital workflow easier, be sure to check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.